American Secure. Little thing make a big difference. New improvement. Now it's grade 9. Stainless steel 304 body and part. IP68 rate weatherproof. Key code card included. 9 extreme test. Number 1. Anti-cut shackle. We tried our best to cut the padlock shackle with famous high quality 42-inch bolt cutter. X brand demo on the left side. One person cutting. X brand padlock failed. Plus one more person. Become 2-person cutting now. But the shackle could not be cut. Number 2. Anti-drill. We used a high RPM electrical drill to drilling the padlock cylinder hole, and were still unable to open the American Secure padlock. Number 3. Anti-saw. We used a high-speed bimetal hacksaw blade, continuous sawing. The shackle must withstand, in 3 minutes continuous sawing, to meet the requirement of EN 12320 standard. Number 4. Anti-acid. We poured the famous Kelm seton directly into 5 points of the American Secure padlock. After 60 minutes Kelm seton cord, continues other testing with the Kelm seton cord padlock. Neutralization is done, for safety reasons. We used 2 kilogram sledgehammer, continuous hammering of the padlock body and shackle. The special ball in the padlock can even withstand the Kelm seton. The padlock withstand without any breakage. We made acid testing with X brand padlock. We only put 3 points of Kelm seton in the X brand padlock. After 5 minutes only. It's fail. Number 6. Anti-cry. We used 1.2 meter hardened steel bar to prime the American Secure padlock. 1 person crying. ADD 1 person, now become 2 persons crying. But the padlock could not be opened or breakage. X brand anti-cry test. 1 person crying. It's fail. Number 7. Anti-collar cry. We used sharp point grip to prime the cylinder collar. The collars withstand the sharp point grip priming. It's amazing. Number 8. Anti-hex key bend. The padlock cylinder is also resistant to picking, even with the modified hex key. Although IT has been through 8 extreme tests, American Secure Padlock can be opened easily, no significant damage. Number 9. Fire protection. We use high-temperature gas torch to burn the American Secure Padlock. We also burn the X-brand padlock for comparison. It only needs 3 minutes more to melt it down the X-brand padlock. www.americansecure.us